few different components. I'm just going to close everything here. And we're going to go ahead and in our components folder, let's close this stuff up. Let's create a folder in components called profile. Okay, and then we're going to have inside there a file called profile.js. This is basically the parent component to all the other ones, and this is where we'll bring in our state, bring in the actual profile data. We're going to have to call that get profile by ID action that we created, and we need to get the ID from the route, okay, from the URL. So let's do RACFP, okay, and we're going to bring in some stuff up here. Let's bring in connect. And we're going to bring in our spinner because we're going to need that. So spinner is going to be up one level in layout. And let's bring in our action. So we're going to use get profile by ID. We want that to run right away. And that's from / actions / profile. And then let's bring in from React. I believe we're going to use a fragment, and then let's bring in use effect. Okay, and for now I'm just going to say profile in here. And let's see, we can go ahead and export default connect. Oops. And as far as map state to props, we're going to need at least the profile state. So let's put in here map state to props. And then for the action, we're going to just put in our get profile by ID because we need that. Oh, get rid of that quote. Okay, so let's create our map state to props. Takes in a state. And let's get profile. And let's see, so we're going to get state.profile. We are going to also need the auth state because why do we need the auth state exactly? We want the auth state because we want to see if the user's logged in, because if they are and the profile that they're viewing matches, I want to have an edit profile button. So let's say auth state.auth. And let's add some prop types. So we have our get profile by ID, which is a function. We have our profile state, which is an object. And we have our auth state, which is an object. Now let's go ahead and add our use effect here. Okay, and then we want to call get profile by ID. Now to get the ID, we're going to get it from the URL, and I'm sure that most of you guys that have worked with React before, you know that you can get that with props, or if you're in a class, this .props, .match, .params, and then whatever the parameter, in this case ID. So instead of doing all that, instead of doing like props.match, I'm going to go ahead and add match right here. I could destructure some more, but I'm just going to throw in here match.params.id. That should match the ID in the URL. Let's also add our other stuff here. So get profile by ID. From the profile state, I want to get the profile and loading. And we'll just bring in auth for now. And that should be it as far as the props. So let's save that. Now in the use effect, we're going to want to add our dependency of get profile by ID, or we're going to get that warning. So that will run it immediately when the profile mounts. So let's go to our app.js. Let's create a route for this. Okay, so we're going to bring in profile, which is in the profile folder. And let's go down and create a route. I'm just going to copy this one down. And we'll just remove the S. Okay, now there needs to be there's an ID being passed in, so we need to do /:ID to get that. All right, so let's try it. Let's say view profile, and there we go. So we get profile, and if I look down in the state here, you can see that we have